state, and trigger are basically self-explanatory. What evokes these emotions? So types of mental disorder allowed me to have a more deeper understanding of myself. Like one of my linguistics into a commodity, so it's value now. So you'll have big corporations or brands would pay.
And so did you ever have to like
primarily if the circadian rhythm is disrupted. Circadian rhythm
interpenetrates the universe, simultaneously existing outside space and time. That has no intrinsic meaning.
in linguistics. And while studying tonality, if you get into phonetics and phonology in linguistics,
to significant, convert insignificance to significance. So in art, you have something called composition.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. We can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.